Augusta Correctional Center will close next year, according to an announcement from the Virginia Department of Corrections. Good evening. I'm Chelsea Church.
I'm Kayla Brooks. Thanks for joining us. The VA DOC made the announcement on Friday, saying it would close 4 facilities in the Commonwealth.
Now, employees and members of the Craigsville community are working to have a plan for the scheduled shutdown.
WHSV's Mike Staley talked with people living in Craigsville who will be affected by the closure. He joins us live in the studio with their stories. Mike.
After the Virginia DOC made the announcement on Friday, many who live and work in Craigsville called the newsroom and sent us messages concerned about the closure. People who work there say they are worried this might put employees in harm's way.
It's going to become more dangerous for the staff that's left. Not all inmates are bad, but not all of them are good. And when you're already working with kind of a skeleton crew and you're getting faced with this, a lot of them that don't have years of service and don't look at this as like a family, they're going to jump ship.
What seemed like a normal Friday afternoon for Lieutenant Christina Tuttle and other employees at Augusta Correctional Center quickly changed to devastating news for the people working there. Tuttle says this all came after the ACC had plans to bring more staff on.
We were told that our roving staff who were on contracts were going to get renewed. They had even approved for some of the regional staff who had been coming down to assist us to transfer to us.
Tuttle and her family are expected to make a decision by January 2nd, whether they transfer to a new facility or enter a new career field. She says the stress is weighing her down, especially with children around the house.
If we can't get it worked out to where we're both going to the same facility, can be on opposite shifts, how are we going to adjust things to where lights don't get turned off, car payments don't fall behind, house payments don't fall behind? How are we going to readjust all of this?
The mayor of Craigsville says this is a major blow to the community.
It's just devastating on everybody. Like I'm saying, the biggest thing is we need to stay positive with it and get back on our feet and keep moving.
We reached out to the Virginia DOC on Friday and again today and have refused to schedule an interview both times. A spokesperson for the DOC said people incarcerated at ACC will be transferred to different facilities throughout the Commonwealth based on, quote, security level and classifications. Working hard for you, Mike Staley, WHSV.